DNA, or genetic makeup, is an integral component of life. It carries the information that makes each of us who we are. Nearly every part of our bodies is made up of tiny cells that contain a complement of DNA identical to that of every other cell within a person. DNA is unique to every individual. It governs hereditary traits like eye and hair color, and can even influence certain psychological factors. Most importantly, DNA determines our disposition to inherited diseases and health problems. From one generation to the next, DNA sequences are passed on with very little variation. Understanding the background of your family's DNA may ultimately be used to prevent disease and treat the health problems of your family's future generations. Because cells remember the history of our ancestry, preserving the knowledge of a family tree through DNA banking is truly an important gift and a lasting legacy. Your genetic material is relevant to the health of your grandchildren and all succeeding generations who may otherwise not know your medical history. DNA Memorial is a trusted DNA bank that uses the latest genetic technologies to confidentially collect and indefinitely store the DNA of a loved one. DNA Memorial is at the forefront of biotechnological advances and has extensive knowledge of genetic material and the importance that it holds for families now and in the future. DNA can be collected anytime during a person's life, but once a person is buried or cremated, it's extremely difficult to obtain a reliable, accurate sample. Genetic material is collected in a non-invasive way from a cheek swab or from skin cells or hair follicles. Following this simple process, your DNA is purified and stabilized by highly trained professionals to halt the degradation process. Then your genetic makeup is stored in a secure, temperature-regulated facility, or alternately, prepared as a personal keepsake that you can always keep close to you. Regardless of which storage choice is best for you, when further research of the stored DNA is required, DNA Memorial will help you with all of the necessary steps to get the answers you need. Nothing will ever be done to your DNA without the express permission of your family. Saving the priceless, irreplaceable information that your DNA holds means that you can begin a tradition that will ensure that your family's future generations understand who they are and where they came from. There is no more genuine way to preserve a family's legacy.